YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing Olaplex No.4 Bonding Maintenance Shampoo. Bond Maintenance Shampoo. So, this girlie has been causing a little controversy lately with the chemical contamination situation, but I bought this before that, but, you know, let's talk about it. So, this is, Olaplex has been breaking the internet for a while now. Basically, they have a special bonding science formulated with a patented Olaplex bond building technology that restores, repair, and nourishes to add incredible shine and manageability every time you shampoo with the Olaplex 3, 4, 5 system. So, re-nourishing. How I make up a word trying to read this. But anyway, this shampoo, there's a reason why everybody's spending that money on it. And why all the other companies are trying to dupe it and make their own version. When I wash my hair normally, my hair is dirty, it has dandruff, it has product. Put my hair under the water in the shower and the hair gets wet. Put the shampoo, I do that twice. By the time it's the end of the second shampoo, I can feel that there's no more product or dandruff in my hair. But my hair doesn't feel soft and wonderful and luxurious. It just feels clean. And then when I put my deep conditioner in and then rinse out with the rinse out conditioner or hair mask combination, depending, then my hair feels soft and moisturized and luxurious, and I can start the air dry process feeling good about my hair. This shampoo, your hair feels soft and manageable and amazing when you're done shampooing. And there are probably other shampoos on the market that cost less money and do the same exact thing, and I'm just going to start searching for them. But for now, I understand why people buy Olaplex. The shampoo is great, especially if you have chemically treated hair. Like, my hair is already under a lot of stress because of the chemicals, so it's like I need to give it something extra to help with the manipulation and all that stuff, because it's not natural hair dealing with it. It's chemically treated hair. So this stuff is amazing for that. Like, when I wash my hair, I feel like my scalp is cleansed, but it's not stripping. I feel like my hair is clean, but it's still moisturized. All the way down to my ends. Like, sometimes my ends will go crazy and they'll be like, oh, we don't like the shampoo, but they're just like straight going with the flow, straight down, smooth cuticle, just like the rest of the hair. So this stuff really transforms your hair while you're shampooing. And I just find that with so many other shampoos, my hair isn't like soft and manageable and easy to detangle after the shampoo step. I usually need conditioner to do that. So I really love that about this shampoo. So this is the 8.5 fluid ounces. I want to say, I'm pretty sure this thing was like $40, but I'll put the real price and the link to Sephora in the description box. But for me, it's worth it to pay this much for shampoo and stuff if my hair and scalp like it and it's gonna do what it needs to do. Like I said, I know there's probably dupes and other things that are cheaper, but for right now, I'm gonna finish this bottle. You guys can see how much I got left. So far, I really love this shampoo, and it's gonna be hard for me to give it up forever. Like, I might have to get the dupe and then keep this in the wings just in case the dupe don't work. But this is now gonna be my go-to shampoo. I also use this to wash my braids. And compared to washing, I usually was washing my braids with the olive oil organic root stimulator shampoo. And washing my braids with this is a part of the testament of why they lasted 10 weeks or however exaggeratedly long period of time that I had them. But this shampoo, Olaplex No.4, you're doing your thing. I know why you like the shampoo goat out here. But thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.